The world of YouTube. YouTube is the world's largest online video sharing platform, founded in 2005 and now owned by Google. It allows users to upload, watch, share, and comment on videos across categories like entertainment, education, music, gaming, news, and lifestyle. With more than 2.5 to 2.7 billion monthly active users, YouTube has become a powerful medium for creators, educators, and businesses worldwide. It's not just a video site, it's also a community, a search engine, and a global marketplace of ideas. Part 1. The Origins of YouTube. Founded in February 2005 by Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim, 3 former PayPal employees. The first ever video was Me at the Zoo, uploaded by Jawed Karim on April 23, 2005. In 2006, Google bought YouTube for $1.65 billion, one of the smartest acquisitions in tech history. Part 2. Growth and expansion. YouTube quickly evolved from a startup to a global giant. By 2010, localized versions launched in countries like India, Brazil, and Japan. Today, it operates in 100+ countries and supports 80+ languages. 500+ hours of content are uploaded every minute. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, only behind Google itself. Part 3. YouTube's global users, 2025. As of mid-2025, YouTube has between 2.5 and 2.7 billion monthly active users. Top countries by users. 1. India 491 million. 2. United States 253 million. 3. Brazil 144 million. 4. Indonesia 143 million. 5. Mexico 83.6 million. 6. Japan 78.7 million. 7. Germany 65.5 million. 8. Vietnam 62.3 million. 9. Philippines 57.7 million. 10. Turkey 57.5 million. 11. Pakistan 55.9 million. 12. United Kingdom 54.8 million. 13. Egypt 50.7 million. 14. France 50.4 million. 15. Thailand 47.6 million. 16. Bangladesh 44.6 million. 17. South Korea 43.4 million. 18. Italy 42.2 million. 19. Spain 39.7 million. 20. Argentina 32.2 million, and dozens more, with Africa and Southeast Asia rapidly growing. Observation. India alone has nearly double the US audience, while emerging markets like Brazil, Indonesia, and the Philippines are driving massive growth.
Part 4. Features of YouTube. Channels and playlists. Organize and showcase videos. Live streaming. Broadcast events in real time. YouTube Shorts. Short form, TikTok-style videos. YouTube Kids. A safe space for children. YouTube Premium and Music. Ad-free experience with exclusive perks. Community tab. Polls, posts, and updates for creators to interact. Monetization tools. AdSense, Super Chat, memberships, and merchandise. YouTube Studio. Analytics, editing, and revenue tracking for creators.
Part 5. Monetization and business model. YouTube Partner Program, YPP, launched in 2007, allows creators to earn from ads. Revenue streams. O ads, before, during videos, O channel memberships, O Super Chat donations, O YouTube Premium revenue share, O merchandise shelf. YouTube generates $30 billion plus annually, making it one of Google's biggest profit centers. Part 6. Top 20 YouTube channels, 2025, 1. MrBeast 396 to 400M, USA, Entertainment, 2. T-Series 294M, India, Music, 3. Cocomelon 193M, USA, Kids, Education, 4. Set India 183M, India, TV, 5. Vlad and Nikki 141M, Kids, Family, 6. Kids Diana Show 134M, 7. Like Nastia 127M, 8. Stokes Twins 125M, 9. Z Music Company 118M, 10. PewDiePie 110M, Sweden, Gaming, Commentary, 11. WWE 109M, 12. Kim Pro 106M, South Korea, 13. Goldmines 105M, India, Films, 14. Sony Sab 101M, 15. Blackpink 96M, South Korea, K population, 16. Choo TV 96M, India, Kids, 17. Allen's Universe 92M, 18. ZTV 90M, 19. Pinkfong, Baby Shark 81M, South Korea, Kids, 20. 5 Minute Crafts 81M, DIY, Cyprus, Trends. Kids content, Indian entertainment, and mega creators dominate. Part 7. Country-specific features. Localization and languages. India supports 12 plus languages, Brazil, Japan, Germany, and others have tailored interfaces. Content trends. OUS vlogs, reviews, entertainment O Japan, anime and gaming O Brazil, music and lifestyle O India, comedy, cooking, DIY. Monetization differences. O higher ad revenue in US, UK. O lower CPM in India, but compensated with massive views. Censorship. O blocked in China, North Korea, Iran. O temporary bans in Turkey, Germany, music disputes, etc. Premium services. Light versions in UK, Mexico, Argentina, Brazil. Creator support. YouTube Spaces in Mumbai, Paris, Dubai. Part 8. Cultural and global impact. Launched careers of Justin Bieber, Shawn Mendes, Lily Singh. Revolutionized education with Khan Academy, TED Ed, Crash Course. Empowered movements like #MeToo and political activism. Part 9. Challenges and controversies. Censorship and bans in certain countries. Misinformation and conspiracy theories spreading rapidly. Copyright strikes and DMCA disputes. Creator burnout due to algorithm demands. Algorithm criticism for promoting sensational content. Part 10. The future of YouTube. AI integration. Smarter recommendations, AI-powered editing. VR, AR expansion, 360 degrees immersive videos. Rising competition. TikTok, Instagram Reels, Twitch. Education hub. Growing partnerships with schools, universities. Monetization for small creators, more diverse income streams. The legacy of YouTube. From a small startup in 2005 to a platform with nearly 3 billion users, YouTube has transformed the way the world watches, learns, and connects. It's not just a website, it's a cultural force, shaping our entertainment, education, and even politics. And the story of YouTube is still being written. Top 20 most subscribed YouTubers in the world, mid-2025, ranked by subscriber count, featuring a mix of individual creators and brand channels. The legacy of YouTube. From a small startup in 2005 to a platform with nearly 3 billion users, YouTube has transformed the way the world watches, learns, and connects. It's not just a website, it's a cultural force, shaping our entertainment, education, and even politics. And the story of YouTube is still being written. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.